Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, 'tis the season to deck the halls and to set beautiful holiday tablescapes. So today I've set a Christmas tablescape that would do any time during the Christmas season. So let's take a look around the table. For this Christmas tablescape, I'm going to be using my gold damask tablecloth. And I'm also going to use my gold chargers. The china that I'm going to use today is my Royal Albert Old Country Roses. I've got a gold damask napkin. And to give the china a Christmassy feel, I have some pretty white and gold cherub plates that have ribbons on them. I'm going to be using my gold flatware today. Got my knife rest here. And I'm going to combine 3 different red glasses. I've got my red cut glass, and then I have an etched glass in the red, and I've also got a red with a gold rim. If you guys have watched my videos, you know I like using colored glasses. And I've got the bread and butter plate. And the teacups just wouldn't fit on the other side, so for today, I'm going to put them here with the bread and butter plate. I also have a red ornament that's a place card holder. And to finish it off, I have a red Christmas cracker. For this red and gold tablescape, I made it easy on myself. I just went to the store and picked out an arrangement and brought it home. This particular arrangement, I've used some hydrangeas, Christmas red hydrangeas. There's peonies and other little curlicues and gold sparkly stems. And I've also used a set of emerald green clusters. And I've just set a pineapple in each one. And if you want to, you could do the same thing with a pair of urns or a pretty container. Just set a pineapple in it. I've got out the sugar and creamer that go with the Royal Albert set. And I also have the coffee and teapot. Got a little candle snuffer and a candy dish. I've gotten out one of my Mosier ruby red cake stands, and I've just set a holiday piece that goes with the Royal Albert. This is the Christmas tree, has a little Christmas tree in the center, but it's one of the I have a few holiday serving pieces that go with this set. And I've set out the gravy boat. Got some cherries there in it. And the salt and peppers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.